Let's start chapter 5, Mouse. So children, this is the mouse. It helps us to move or select item from the computer screen. We also call mouse as a pointing device. So your mouse has three parts: left button, right button and scroll wheel. The scroll button is used to move the screen up and down and left and right for proper viewing of the screen. Now let's see how you can hold the mouse gently. So, first you put your index finger on the left mouse button and middle finger on the right mouse button. For scroll wheel, we can use the index finger whenever we need the scroll wheel. Children, this is the mouse pad on which we keep our mouse. It keeps our mouse dust free. Now children, you have to take the correct way of holding the mouse. So this is the correct way. Now let's see the different functions of a mouse. Pressing the mouse means clicking. So we have single click. So when we press the mouse button once to select an item, we call it a single click. We have two types of single click: left click and right click. Left click is used to select an item and the right click is used to see what are the possible actions that can be applied on that particular item. Now let's see double click. If we press the left button two times quickly, we call it the double click. So it performs two functions simultaneously: selecting and opening of the program or folder. Drag and drop. Dragging means moving the mouse in the desired direction by pressing and holding the left mouse button. So by drag and drop, you can move any object from one place to another. It is also used to draw and color on the computer. Now scroll wheel is used to move the pointer up and down, left and right, so that you can see the entire screen properly. Now let's see types of mouses. Do you know, children, that the first mouse which was invented, it looked like a wooden box. But now we have different types of shapes, different types of designs and colors in our mouse. We have wired mouse, we have wireless mouse, we have light mouse, we have variety of mouse available nowadays. Now children, you have to do this one activity. You have to color the picture of a mouse. Left button with red color, the right button with green color and the scroll wheel with yellow color. Now come to the exercise. Here come to A. You have to choose the correct option. Mouse is used to select and point. Mouse should always be kept on a mouse pad. Mouse is a pointing device. Which one is a type of click? So right click. Now come to B. In this you have to write T for true and F for false. So first one is false. Second one is false. Third one is false. Fourth one is false. Fifth one is true. Now come to C. In this you have to label the mouse buttons. Left button, scroll wheel and right button. Now come to D. In this you have to fill the blanks using the words given below. A mouse arrow is called pointer. Clicking, dragging and scrolling are mouse functions. We should always hold the mouse very gently. The wheel of the mouse is called the scroll wheel. Mouse pad keeps the mouse dust free. Now come to E. In this, you have to identify the actions used for the following. To move the pointer up of the page, scroll. To open a program, double click. To select an item, select. To point on the screen, pointer. To change the place of the item, drag and drop. Now come to the research project. Here you have to find different types of mouses and their functions.